Hello everyone, welcome to our mathcast today. The intended audience is grade 4. The content or learning objective is to go over two-dimensional symmetry, Module 4, Topic D, created by Mackenzie Whitmore. Let's start off with some vocabulary. Our first word is symmetry, and that is the property of a shape that can be folded so that the two halves match exactly. Next, we have line of symmetry, which is reflection symmetry, line symmetry, mirror symmetry, or mirror image symmetry, which is also symmetry with respect of reflection. And finally, we have asymmetrical, which means not identical on either side of the central line. Let's also go over triangle vocabulary. First is a triangle, a two-dimensional flat shape with three sides, as you can see over here. Next is the isosceles triangle, which is a triangle with exactly two congruent sides. Next is the equilateral triangle, which is a triangle whose sides are all of the same length. And finally, we have the right triangle, a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. Now, these three triangles are the ones we'll be using today in the examples, but there are also many other types of triangles. For example 1, we will go over if the line of symmetry on each shape is drawn in the right spot. Pause the video and try and see if you can do this yourself. Drawn in the right spot. The answer is yes. So, for the first one, that would be yes. Because this line, if you flip the shape in like a sandwich, it'll be equal. For the second one, this is yes, because it's going right down the middle of the heart. And when you flip them, they'll be right on top of each other. Now for these two. This would be no. Because as you can see, the line, if you were to fold this key, it would not match up with this. And now for this one. This would also be no. Because again, the line is going through like this instead of like this. But even if it was to go like this, you have this piece right here, making it not the right spot. Now for example 2, I will show you how to draw the missing piece of the shape. So for number 1, we have a heart. So since the line is going down the middle, you would just draw the other half. Same for number 2, which would be a circle. 3, which is a square, and 4, which is a hexagon. And that is how you draw a missing piece to a shape. Now for example 3, we will be going over line of symmetry in triangles. So first we have the equilateral triangle, and if you don't remember, this is a triangle which all three sides have the same length. So for this one, you would draw the line of symmetry right down the middle. And if you take this side, fold it over here, it would be right on top of it. Now, over to this one, which is a right triangle, a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. And as you can see, this side is the right angle. Now to draw a line of symmetry for this shape, you would have to do it like this, coming from the right angle. Once again, if you flip it either way, they would match. And finally, down here we have the isosceles triangle, a triangle that has two sides of equal length, which are these sides. So for this triangle, you would draw the line of symmetry right down the middle again. And when you fold it, they would both line up with each other. Thank you for watching my mathcast. Down below are the resources I used to make this. Thank you.